Hello, good morning, guys. Today in this video, we'll see how you can convert the vertical data. See here, this is the vertical data. I'll place it in horizontal data, means vertical cells into horizontal, and this is very easy. First of all, you need to select the range of cells, the vertical cells, along with this data. So yeah, I just selected by holding the shift key and right click on it and copy and select the cell where you want to paste it in the horizontal area. So this on this cell I'll paste it. So I'll right click and click on paste special, and at the bottom you'll find paste special. Click on that, and here there is an option called transpose. Select that and click on OK. So the as it is data is converted into horizontal, but there is a issue here. See here, some of the names, the column width is not sufficient, so I need to adjust that column width also. So not under view, but yeah, you need to click on the home section. See, under home only there will be an option like format. So click on the drop down and click on column width, and here it is 8.09. okay, I'll make it to 15 here. See, now each and every cell, the column width is uniform, but the borders are missing here. I'll just minimize this. See, the borders are missing while I copied that. So I need to select once again and adjust the borders also. But formatting is under format, column width will be there. So I'll just decrease it to a little more. 12 is sufficient for me. Okay. Now I'll select the entire data again to fill up these borders, because it now right now it is not looking good. So I'll select the whole horizontal section here, and yeah, under home only there is a option called borders. I need to click on all borders. See, now it is perfectly fine. So this is how you can convert horizontal data into vertical cells. I hope you like this.